Welcome back to Djji Tutorials. Today we are covering finding the equation of a line and discovering patterns with transformations of lines. Chapter 1. Find the equation of a line. To find the equation of a line given 2 points, you first determine the slope, and then use the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, or the point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, to write the equation. Here's how to find the equation of a line using 2 points. First, find the slope, m. Use the slope formula m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1, where x1, y1 and x2, y2 are the coordinates of the 2 points. Next, use the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. Find the y-intercept b by substituting one of the points, x1, y1, and the calculated slope m into the equation y equals mx plus b. Solve for b. Finally, write the equation by substituting the slope, m, and y-intercept b into the slope-intercept form y equals mx plus b. Use the point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Substitute the point and slope by plugging in one of the points, x1, y1, and the calculated slope, m, into the point-slope form, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Write the equation in slope-intercept form, if needed, by simplifying the equation and rearranging it to the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b. To find the equation of a line given 2 points, first calculate the slope, m, using the formula m equals y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Then, use the point-slope form of a linear equation, y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, plugging in one of the points and the calculated slope. Finally, simplify the equation to the slope-intercept form, y equals mx plus b, or standard form, x plus by equals c if needed. Let's say you have the points 2, 5 and 4, 9. First, calculate the slope, mm. The slope is given by the formula m equals the difference in y values divided by the difference in x values. So, m equals 9 minus 5 divided by 4 minus 2, which simplifies to 4 divided by 2, giving us a slope of 2. Next, we use the point-slope form of the equation. Let's use the point 2, 5. The equation is y minus 5 equals 2 times x minus 2. Now let's simplify to the slope-intercept form. Starting from y minus 5 equals 2x minus 4, we add 5 to both sides to get y equals 2x plus 1. Therefore, the equation of the line is y equals 2x plus 1. Chapter 2. Patterns with transformations of lines. A line transformation, in mathematics, refers to a set of changes applied to a line that alters its position, orientation, or size within a coordinate plane. These transformations can include translations, which is shifting, reflections, which is flipping, rotations, which is turning, and scaling, which is stretching or compressing. Here's a more detailed breakdown. Translations. A line is moved horizontally or vertically without changing its slope or orientation, essentially sliding it along the plane. Reflections. The line is flipped over a mirror line, usually the x-axis or y-axis, creating a mirrored image. Rotations. The line is turned around a fixed point, often the origin, changing its orientation. Scaling. The line is stretched or compressed either vertically or horizontally, affecting its slope and length. Key concepts. Linear transformations. These are specific transformations that preserve lines, meaning a line remains a line after the transformation. Slope and intercept. Translations don't change the slope, but they can affect the y-intercept of the line. Matrices. Linear transformations can be represented by matrices, allowing for efficient calculations of transform points. For more information on this topic, please contact us at djitutorials@gmail.com. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next session.